Let's start Ladybird 2A. Reading corner. Today our new word is fish, 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 fish. Page number 18. And today our new word is fish, 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 fish. Peter, Peter, looks, Peter looks. A fish, fish, a fish. Says, Jane, a fish, says Jane. It, is, a fish, it is a fish. Says, Peter, says Peter. It is a fish, says Peter. It, is a fish. It is a fish. He, says. He says. It is a fish, he says. Peter looks. A fish, says Jane. It is a fish, says Peter. It is a fish, he says. Another new word is wants. Wants. Page number 20. And the new word is wants. Wants. Look. Says. Look, says. Peter. Look, says Peter. The dog. Wants. The fish. The dog wants the fish. He wants. The fish. He wants the fish. Jane. He wants the fish. Jane. Look, says Peter. The dog wants the fish. He wants the fish. Jane. Thank you.